Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the mirror at eye level about 1 to 2 feet from your face so you can see your full expression. Once done, pick a neutral light source and remove glare to keep features clear. This reduces visual distractions. Next, open your notebook and set a 5-10-minute timer so you have focused intervals. Do this now. It forces immediate practice and gives you measurable blocks to observe progress and make quick notes about what you see and feel. You continue by warming up with slow diaphragmatic breathing and easing facial muscles for 60 to 90 seconds. This primes coordination. Once warmed, run 2 to 3 focused sets of drills. Speak lines, adjust posture, and exaggerate expressions so you notice subtle changes. Make sure to alternate angles and use short recordings or still photos. These let you compare iterations and isolate habits. After each set, jot one improvement to repeat. This deliberate repetition builds awareness and prevents drifting back to old patterns. You finish by reviewing your notes and writing 2 concrete action items to practice next time, which makes progress cumulative. Once complete, compare before and after recordings to identify one measurable change, timing, posture, or expression, and plan a focused drill. If the mirror image feels unclear or the angle hides detail, adjust the mirror or light immediately. Move it 20 to 30% farther or change the angle to reduce shadows. This quick troubleshooting preserves momentum and keeps each session productive and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.